Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're scratching your head because your TP-Link router shows it's connected, but you're still stuck without internet, you're not alone. This is a common issue, especially with the latest 2025 updates, and I'm here to help you troubleshoot it step by step. Let's dive in. First off, why does this happen? There are a few key reasons. It could be an outage from your internet service provider, ISP. Sometimes, their servers go down, and even though your router thinks it's good to go, the actual internet feed is cut off. Another culprit might be your router's settings. If the DNS or IP configuration is messed up, your device won't reach the web properly. Don't worry, we'll fix that. Hardware problems are also possible. Loose cables, outdated firmware, or even interference from other devices can cause this disconnect. And let's not forget about your device's own issues, like software glitches or incorrect network settings on your phone or computer. Now, let's get to the solutions. Start simple. Restart your router. Unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This often clears temporary glitches. Next, check your cables. Ensure everything is securely connected. If that doesn't work, log into your TP-Link router's admin page, usually by typing 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1 in your browser, and verify your internet settings. Make sure your WAN connection is set correctly and update your firmware if there's a new version available. If you're still facing problems, test with another device to see if it's router-specific or device-specific. And always check your ISP's status online or give them a call. In 2025, many ISPs have apps for quick checks, so use that to your advantage. By following these steps, you should have your internet up and running in no time. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.